Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I am sharing a very quick and delicious chili garlic noodles, packed with garlic, veggies and full of Indo-Chinese flavors. This recipe is simple, spicy and perfect for a quick meal. So let's get started. First I am going to cook the noodles. For this, take a pot, pour enough water. Once the water starts boiling, add a little salt. And here I am using about 300 grams of Hakka noodles. Gently drop into the water. So the Hakka noodles are about 90% cooked. Strain them immediately. Drizzle a little oil so that the noodles don't stick and keep it aside. Now we are going to make the chili garlic noodles. For this, take a wide pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic, 1 large thinly sliced onion, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Now add the other vegetables. 1 medium-sized carrot cut into juliennes, 1 bowl of shredded cabbage, half yellow bell pepper thinly sliced, half red bell pepper thinly sliced, half green capsicum thinly sliced. Mix it well. Now add the spring onion white. Saute it well. Once the vegetables are softened, now add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper. I have not added any salt at this point because the sauces already have a lot of salt. Now I am adding the cooked noodles into the pan. Now mix all together. If you use 2 ladles to mix the noodles, it will mix better and the noodles will not break. So I have stirred the noodles for about 10 minutes. So make sure the noodles are completely coated with the vegetables and the sauces. At this stage, check for seasoning. If you want, you can add little bit salt. I just sprinkle the salt here. So I'm just going to finish it off with some spring onion greens to give you a nice crunch. Our chili garlic noodles are ready to be served nice and hot. So that's how you make these delicious chili garlic noodles, spicy, garlicky and full of flavors. You can enjoy these spicy garlic noodles as is, but if you do want to enjoy it with some nice Manchurian by your side. So do try this recipe, enjoy it, share with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys.